come last week when you know they around. So
in my house? How do they know my house?
I see your card for their hand. And they say they will come next week.
If they come, will you recognize them?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Make sure you did not open the gate for them. I don't want any of them in my compound. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you hear me?
Yes,
I
madam.
don't want to see any of them.
Yes,
if they enter my compound, I will sack you.
Hey! Come, Ruba! Madam, I no go open this gate for them. Wallahi, I swear.
Scared of an evil forest.
How dare you speak to me that manner?
Shut up! The juju way you give us. You know work. Now our Uwadiae hospital. Our Uwadiae hospitalized. Wait. I go pull the trigger.
Who's party na go inside that last month? What if you go? You have to come and the kwane. Okaje mu agwo. Baby kere. No mu janye ya kita. Ige ma ya kita.
Madam.
Why you buwasi?
Why you buwasi? You know what to finish oh. Madam, I go kill you. Madam, I go kill you. I no get told. Which party you talk?
Which party you go inside that last one? I know they work for person where not the because this night juju na fire to fire. Which party na go? Who be that woman? Think well. Ogio hair. What we go now, ma? Let me say, yeah, here, guitar.
Why be say now anytime I want play game for this phone wey be say madam dey buy for me, that time I only go dey get am for different people wey dey come dey ask for me. And now wetin I dey do for? Now who una be? Okay, now wetin dey worry una? Now wetin dey worry una? Una you wan make I curse you? Now wetin una dey look for? Now who una be?
Policemen.
Now wetin una dey find for my territory?
We want to see your madam. Where is she?
You go there
for us.
Now this one be my ID card. Now where una ID card?
This is my ID card. Now, where is your madam?
This one, it be like, say, I serious. Oh, but my madam, I know they are around the far. My madam, I don't travel.
Your madam is not around. No problem. Make sure you tell your madam to report herself to the state CID. Once she comes back, do not forget that.
Babu Wahala. Babu Wahala. Speak.
Let's go.
Like this man.
Domo. Bomu where you go ame? Wa talk pe je me. O so le fa iwa je na. No mo ya pa wo are amami ya. Isi ari e o ego ari e o. O ma gun me je me ni jogi. Ei gba je na bu adenu la go je me je me la.
Ma je e ma re gba je me.
Ba bi ku e. We se je me. Ba bi ku e. Ekeni ya je na ma. Iya gokuro. Okwona ikakagba eno.
Ijo.
Doi madam. I go we go ame na. Ibege we wazio luwa ki aya ari owo ko ni.
O geje nugi.
Awa mo egbe ni ma kian. Ibege so mo pa no wa ejo okona o metigbe.
Mata.
Ogwe gbegbe.
Wọ́n lọ́gbọ́n yàrá polisi mọ̀ wá. Ijó, wọ́n gún mẹ́jọ.
Wàgẹ́jọ. Ẹsẹ̀ tí wò kò ní èmi. Wà á lérùn ní ayíjáre sọ̀wá.
Carry.
Oh my God! Why is there again? And the teacher at the dog. Oh, for no problem. Oh, go to the hair. Then now, don't ready. I must see your mother. I must see your mother. The area of the men at the window. The area of the window.
Okay. Okay, boss. Allah, Allah, me doa. Madam, please, I don't do anything.
I know. Go back to your duty post. Go back. Oh, Jesus, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, my darling, how are you? Why your face is like this?
I know you're different.
What happened?
Now your pikin, see your pikin, they do me, they vex me, they vex me. I don't like as your pikin, they do me,
What happened?
As they call your pikin, they tell me say, he's switch off. Eli is busy. He's switch off.
Okay. My son traveled. Almost 2 weeks.
I'm not sure say your son travel. No, my man they tell me say your son not travel. My man they tell me say your son not travel. He get where you go, you keep himself. He get where they freshen up. He get where you just stay now.
Madam,
wait till
okay.
your son.
It's okay.
I don't
See, my son traveled. What is wrong with you? How come over you? My son traveled.
He get
Do you
one,
see it with any woman?
he get one with mama. Why I see him with that day? He be like saying that with mama house. Now your son there.
Woman,
Yes.
my own son.
You don't call the letter, call the see me
Old
again.
woman, older than me.
Yes.
My own son.
Yes.
Impossible.
Madam?
Yes, your madam.
Come, Buruba. My madam, I don't suffer our life. Nobody make I no go look for my madam for this place. Even you.
Yes, now. Yes, I don't see your madam. I put down what does me to talk.
My madam, I know the house.
But now, put down why the tossing madam not there.
I get time for appointment in it.
What to be appointment? Check appointment. What's it called?
Madam, I don't travel. They go house.
I book put down. Come here, I walk. But I lose God me. Let me do this thing for madam. They ask me. I don't think I go. How do you like this? You know what? I'll give for the money. Though. How do you like? See now the sun got creators. So I can't have West in the nah.
I want to enter.
The sun come.
You know as well. Just wait for me.
Yeah, you brother. I like to God. That's a coming for. Wait.
I know they see one better person when they say if they come this house, you will be like me. Very useless, useless people. Imagine this is.
I come in peace. I come in peace. I go so. Now when you just money like me, madam. Well, come here, walk for them. Yeah, they do. I book it. No worry. I'll give for the money.
You know, say, well, in my mind, I close in it. Enter this compound. Enter this compound. Make I use you to brand. So you put it in a water flat. Okay, this compound then, I did very open. Enter this compound. Enter.
Lady G. I fucking wait.
You wait. I want make I go. Sure, I don't feel warm me, say make I go house, but I know one here for.
I be a brother who will like see me. I be a brother. I come from mosque.
I want make I go to me before my other go. Now here, I go stay today to my mother. I know what I want to do for here now for. Me, I don't get time for appointment. I don't get time for employment. You see, this compound, we get time for 7 motor. From today, me personally, I don't employ you. I go to watch out for motor every blessed day for.
Wash motor.
I go there now. I bring them for bucket for you. If I run, well,
go the bucket. I can wash. I can wash. Go and bring the bucket. I can wash. Wash. Oh. Ah, damn, wow. What bucket? You never. No. You for where? Useless person. I don't know where my madam they see all these people. Now go to come this out. You will find person like me. Give me my own percentage. You take your own percentage. Never. People where they say I don't complete it for human being. Now go to come this out. Make una come here. I put you one out there with that same. I know.
Lisa, mommy.
Uwadiae. What am I hearing? Benin, who is Lady G? One old woman that is even older than me. That is even just like your old grandmother.
Mom, what are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying.
Your girlfriend came to my shop yesterday. Fearing of one mama. Well done, and number 2 is not Ogun.
You saying you're believing my fiance?
My dear, you are my son. I know what you can do. Mom, I know what you can do.
Mommy, no, this time you don't even know what I can do. Because the last time I checked, how can I date a woman as old as you are? No, I can't do that.
Older than I have. You are trying to defend yourself. I know what you can do. I know it. Don't try to defend yourself.
You don't know me. Because if you do, you know I cannot date an old woman like Lady G, like what you said.
I know what you can do. Stop it. I don't like it. Oh, we're not here, my son. A woman that is older than me, that is like my mother. Why is a cause.
Mother,
please stop it.
Check me very well.
I've checked you.
Check me. I'm too swaggerlicious to date an old woman. Or in fact, a woman older than you know now. Check it.
And I don't want to hear that story again. Do you hear me? Oh, I have a call. Hello, madam. Okay.
They are cutting glass if we go agbin. Benajena.
I dey work oh. I dey work for inside my.
Benajena when I work in way. Kwe ame mona. Who ame mona ye?
You go see I no be that one. What do you say me I do now?
What you not go do?
We go Lady G as you see your pikin for them. May Lady G come arrest me. I don't feel wahala police oh. That woman, people know, and no station where they never know. Now this one, I think they do one. Yeah. Me no get that one, why I want to do one.
Why, woman say TV and go do make you take care of brassy. Pray for your money, I go the bed. You dey cut the grass, you say you dey pray.
Every 5 minutes, I take they use my breast to pray for me.
Because Lady G they do one. Me go do like this, I go do it like that. I go see my pikin. I know because of Lady G, I leave my pikin. As you leave your own, I don't leave my own.
I know say I want leave my own. Me go see farm now. What do we want to do? Native doctor when we go that day, he said make they pray for breast. Me they pray. He as I dey inside farm so I see pray. Yes, but go arrest Lady G. I no get handle. That woman where they carry most of that police like this.
You not go carry my own. Me I don't dey vex for you.
No vex.
I don't dey vex for you, woman.
I tell you. Come, no vex. Me with you now one. I forgive bad protest for you because I dey inside farm.
If you me I see my pikin, osalogo me yere ya ye luwa. Iga se nwe moti nwanyo nwe mi ya. Gbe moti me ye na. Drink me.
Bless him. Bless him. Abake. Don't get to man. Okay. I'll back. And I'll buy you over there.
Now, wow. Nothing push out of
Lelena, well, I don't know what's up with them. You want to Lele? I don't know, Papa. I don't make somebody.
Okay, come out for here. Now my madam I blame. Because I should be my madam is a person like me. If you don't come with my madam is a person like me. I don't know what you mean. They give my madam the thing. People where I don't get up for future. See this shit useless people now tell me to come to this place this time around.
100 years. 100 years is not forever. If what you are telling me is not true, you will reap what you sow in my life.
No snapping.
Do you believe that the policemen were here and they collected 200,000 naira from my hand because of the car?
What? 200,000?
No, ma. Because of the car.
What? 200,000?
Yes. Collected 200,000 naira from me because of the car.
200,000?
Yeah.
Forget about them. She's going to reap what she sowed.
Exactly what I told her. I told her that 100 years is not forever. How is your fiance?
Forget about them. Trust me. She's going to reap what she sowed.
Exactly what I told her. I told her that 100 years is not forever. How is your fiance?
Well, she's fine. I would like to use this medium to say I'm very sorry for what happened at the station when you came to visit me. Please, don't smile.
Ah, did you say station? Station. The station's own is just a little. Do you believe anytime she sees me on the way, she will start calling me different names, raining insults on me? Well, I will love forgiving her because of you.
Thank you very much. I really know you are a great and a wonderful woman. Thank you for forgiving her. Trust me, that woman is next to me.
Please.
I'll have to go now.
Don't ask her.
No, definitely I won't come here. I'll have to go now.
I still have your account number.
All right. As usual.
Okay. All right, darling.
My dear, let's forget about them.
Anyway, that's good. Let's go.
Okay. No phone call, no text message, nothing. Did I offend you guys?
Yeah, mama. Mama. I know you, mother of all mothers. You have done me so. Well, your boys are back now. You are back for free. Let God's time tell you what will happen. Let God's time tell you what will happen. God's time.
Mama the mama. Our one and only iron lady. You see, your boys love you so much, and we are ever loyal to you. Remember that day you called us and you asked us if we are ready to travel abroad, and we said yes. You know that night you handed us over to Mr. Smart. Before we could know it, we are at the airport already. Suddenly we saw ourselves in a plane, and boom, we are in Germany. 2 days. But somewhere along the line, Mr. Smart handed it over to his friend who gave us a job, but on one condition. He said we are not allowed to call anybody in Nigeria.
What?
But in 3 years' time, we can come to Nigeria and do whatever we like.
But he says if he sees us with any form, we might spend 6 years.
Yeah.
And we will not have our documents and we can't be able to go back to Germany. So I have to let Ghost know that we can stay without contacting anybody so that we can be focused. So for right now, we are back now. Our wives are there in Germany and we have the permit to carry as much as we want to Germany. So that is why we are here to take you.
You're big boys now.
Oka nauni sa. Mama nauni ma. Oka. See as I find it.
You guys are funny.
Oka. I know say far before I travel I dey always deliver. But since I come back, Oka, I know they receive anything. I never receive anything. Now make I come by myself and see Muhammad cannot go to the Mati. The Mati will go to Muhammad.
Here's my friend.
Oka.
You see, you don't have to worry yourself. Okay? We have all this well planned already. You see, you yourself, Princess, and our one and only Iron Lady, we all are going to Germany first week of next month. Yeah, trust me.
You got it? You got it?
Damn.
We all are going first week of next month. We are going to Germany.
Germany? See yourself there.
Me for Germany go?
It's we, bro. It's we.
Come, Buruba! Wait, I go get them for big get for Germany. Where are they working?
We still have this. You are living a life. You are not a gate man. You're living a life. It's so
I'm sorry, guys. I never knew that you people pass through this. Well, thanks be to God that all is well now. You guys are back from good.
Sure.
It's written all over you.
Of course, we have to play this town well.
Let them know we are back.
Because we are back for
good. Yo, bro. Let's do this shit, man. Let them know.
Lady G, wẹ́sẹ̀ kàkàbọ̀ káàbọ̀ fún wọn. Ìmẹ̀ àwọn mi kò nà tí di ọ. Ọmọ náà máa bí ọ̀nà rẹ̀ àríyá wo bò wé ní ìta lọ sẹ̀. Wẹ́sẹ̀ ìyá kàtẹ́ ní ìwà fúnà. Wẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ lóyún.
Oh, Lady G, I sincerely thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. If I should lay down for you, I don't know how to do that.
Don't do that.
Upon the insult I found, you never change your mind to become my children. May Almighty God bless you.
Thank you.
Ma, please embrace me. Let me know that you're forgiving me. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. I don't know upon the easy. Ma, you take it. Please, now we do. You never change off my mind. Your mind, please embrace me and let me know you're forgiving me. Thank you, madam. May Almighty God bless you.
Lady G.
Yeah.
We are told they came here to abuse you. Please forgive them.
You guys should get up.
You are very sorry. We heard that.
Get up, my boys. Remember, you are my friend. The very first day I saw you guys, I know there is something tangible about you. Right? They may call me different names. This is my love. They said I love.
This is my love. Okay, Moscow. Action.
This is my love. And ever since, I have not told him that you guys went out. He's been asking about you guys. I didn't tell him anything.
Wow.
He's here now. He's hearing me for the first time.
Wow.
Thanks be to God and Mr. Smart, who kept to his promise. He promised me that there will be no problem. Although you guys were afraid of me that night, but thank God, all is well now. Mr. Smart. Hello, Mr. Smart. My friend. We are fine. Yeah, they are here with me. They even came with their mothers. Yeah.
God Smarty, thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
You can hear their voice.
Thank you, sir.
You do well.
Thank you.
Mama Katina.
You. I tell her I can't do this now.
I will go for
Let's go inside.
Mama, Indiala. Not good, Mama, for the big gates that you give it to me.
Don't worry. Let's go inside together.
I can go inside the bar.